I'm Jesse with Blue Sky Performance. We're excited to unveil another car at the Chocolate Fox for a car that probably has one of the most special stories to it. It's an honor to have built this car for a family that has a really special story. So without further ado, he's seeing the car for the first time finished.
That looks awesome. Dude, it looks amazing.
Yeah. When you sent us the picture of the hood, I said, God,
yeah,
we have to.
That looks awesome. Yes.
Yeah,
Is there a radio? There's probably even a
it's got navigation too.
Oh, look at this. This is beautiful, huh? Got the old R&B Lou on it. No touch, hands up.
It's funny. It used to be like red.
Oh, it's so good. You like it, dude? Ah, it looks amazing.
I can't wait to drive this one.
Look at the sparkles, right?
It's coyote.
See where the sun hits it?
Get in it.
I love it.
Exactly. Yeah, so when we got the car, from the doors forward was repainted. So it only had pinstriping on the quarters.
It's awesome, man.
And it didn't have anything on the hood.
Awesome.
And he, like 3 weeks ago, he sent us a picture of the car, like back in...
What do you think? Beautiful. Beautiful, huh?
Wow.
Striping that was done on the car. So we had a
Stripes.
come in and redo
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
And on the quarter window, hot summer in '91.
They did a great job. Yeah, they did a great job. Completely replicate him.
Yep.
And then we're gonna put the. Ah, looks awesome.
Pretty cool, guys.
Look at that. The hood stays up by itself. I don't have to do one of these. There you go. Yeah, this is the old license plate. This is my old license plate.
Oh my goodness, they got your old license plate on there too?
Yeah, we're out in Jersey now. This one looks so much better than the Jersey plate. Enough.
Can you do one front, one back?
What do you mean? No, you can't. I don't think we put one in the front. The seats look great.
The seats look really good. These are the new seats, right?
Yeah.
These are really cool. I thought we were using the old seats. You went with the new?
Yeah. Well, they're all reupholstered.
Oh my God.
Oh, you got it?
I'll hold it over here so you can check it out.
Huh?
Look at the R&Bs.
Oh, yeah.
Isn't that neat?
Wow.
Oh, that's awesome. You see that?
No.
Look at the...
Right inside the car. Right over
Inserts right here.
So good.
These are Corbos. Yeah, we redid them. I kind of told Gil, I said, you know, give it a ASC McLaren vibe.
Right?
I've always loved the ASC McLaren
it's
seats,
nice.
so we put...
The same? It really does.
Honk the horn, honk the horn.
Oh, definitely.
Hey, hey Jeff, you want to fire it up for him?
Yeah,
I think you want to hear
Does
it.
it have the switch?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Oh yeah, right here.
Ah, look. The pedals look awesome too. Here, buddy, jump out. Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah.
You should start it.
Yeah.
It's your car. Keys
Is
in
keys in it?
it. Make sure she's in neutral. I think it's
No,
Is
we're
the
good.
exhaust open or closed? Okay.
tuning done to it. But you can give it a little rest.
Oh, sounds good. Sounds really good.
Since it was fully complete.
Yeah.
His parents have seen it
Yeah.
as well.
Yep.
Where was it sitting?
He always drove it. It was always garage kept, and he always drove it, but it was stock. I mean, Flowmasters, short throw shifter, like the way his brother had it.
Tell us what you did to the car.
So, like I said, the car's been in his family since new. His brother bought it brand new. He came to us and he basically said, I want to do Gen 3 Coyote. I want it to be completely modern. So it was a super clean car. The towers were beautiful. The floors were beautiful. We really didn't have to do any rust repair. There was some previous damage that needed to be taken care of from an older, it was in an accident. But we completely stripped it down, recoated the underside of the car, and basically did everything except put it on a rotisserie. So it's a full build, brought it down to metal, did the body work, and then I always wanted to do a DECH kit on a car, and once this car came in, it kind of clicked for me. Like when a customer comes to me with a car, I kind of get into, okay, that's what you got, and then just one day it clicks for me, and it was like the DECH kit with the Steeda spoiler, the heat extractor. I'm personally kind of fond of that hood because I have it on my car, and so yeah, it's got full QA1 suspension, coilovers. Actually, Jeff, what coilovers are called?
They're SR Performance.
SR Performance coilovers, SVE brakes. We wanted something that's just, he can get in it, fire it up, drive it, no problems. And Coyotes, you can get in it, fire it up, no problems, and it'll boogie. We're gonna have it on our dyno in a couple weeks, have lunch, finish up the tune and everything, so.
The interior looks amazing. What'd you guys do there?
So the interior is 90% original, aside from the seats, the carpet, and the door panel inserts. Otherwise, the interior is super, super clean, so all we did was wipe it down. The seats, we had Gillen Interiors in Middletown, New York do them. I went to them with the Corbos. I said, I always loved the ASC McLaren, you know, kind of diagonal stitching. So he ran with that, and then
Somebody's happy.
and then the netted headrests. I mean, he's happy. He's real happy. We can't wait till he gets in the seat and can start rolling the gears. So it's got Varex switchable mufflers. Jeff, have him close the mufflers and rev it. So if you're cruising and you don't want too much drone, you can close them up and it's almost dead quiet.
So it's similar to what you did over here on the War Admiral, right?
Yeah,
That
we're
one has-
probably gonna end up putting those on this car.
Gotcha. I
Yeah.
was gonna say, because he's got 3 or 4 different exhaust notes as well.
Yes, he does. So
Yeah.
it's just nice. It's all in one muffler, and you can just they're like instantaneous. So it's
That's
a
really
good,
cool.
and they're polished stainless. You know, it's a nice quality muffler as
You
well.
guys,
so.
you guys sell and install those, don't you?
Yeah, we incorporate those in our builds
build.
pretty frequently. Yeah, and they're loud. I mean, they're really loud open.
Yeah. No, I like it a lot.
So,
They're really
yeah.
such a neat thing.
It's a subtle car. It's not overdone. It's eventually going to have Maker's Garage reimagined classics. They're in the United States.
We're just waiting.
We're just waiting for them. So in a
Okay.
couple weeks, we'll get those on the car.
The pinstriping and all that stuff turned out so good.
Yeah,
Congratulations. I love
his
it.
brother actually had the car pinstriped like this in 1990, 91 when he got it. So we kind of felt obligated to
Yeah.
redo it. You know, it wouldn't be the right car.
Retro's the way to go right
Yeah.
now. Anyways, it's back. This thing looks really good.
Yeah, thank you.